Hello friends, in this tutorial we're going to learn how to implement double tap to exit. So you find this feature in most projects where if you press exit once, it tells you to press exit again in order for you to exit the app. So I've got this simple app. So once I press exit once, it tells me press again to exit. So if I do this within a given time, it will exit the app. Otherwise, if I take time, then the whole process is undone and I'll have to press twice to exit. So there we go, press again to exit. So if I do it simultaneously, the app exits. So let's go to our project and see how to implement this. So open your project. In your project, add on back pressed. Open it. Then here we have to create a number variable. Name it anything you want. I named mine 1. Then you also create a timer. Add a timer. I named my timer T. You can name it anything you want. So this is the logic we have here. We want to increase the number variable we created by 1 when back is pressed. Then we use an if else statement to check the value of 1. So if 1, the variable 1 is equals to 1, then we toast press again to exit. At this point, our timer is going to run. Then after 3 seconds, you can change this to whatever you want, but 3 seconds seems to be ideal. So our timer runs, and within that 3 seconds, if the number variable is equals to 1, then we set it back to 0. This means the user hasn't clicked the back button a second time. If they click it the second time, it will mean this number variable on top here will be 2 and exit will take place. So if 1 is equals to 2, then our app is queued. So we queue the app with finish affinity like that. So if you're done with this logic, your double tap to exit app is done and you can run it to test. So just run the application and do the testing. Install, then open it. So 1 back pressed, it tells us press again to exit. If it takes time, it will mean the procedure starts from 0, and if I do that, it tells me that. So if I'm going to do it simultaneously within in less than the 3 seconds we put, then it does exit. So let's exit. There we go.